Hello from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we're checking out this 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. This Macan GTS just has 40,000 miles, almost to the digit. Beautiful silver metallic. Not a flaw on it. Has the GTS style rear tailpipes, all in black, and the contrasting black badges as well. This one is equipped with a trailer package. So you do have a tow hitch, which makes it a very nice vehicle. The black rims, red calipers, Pirelli tires, all are in great condition. The brakes are in great condition as well. On the front, a professionally installed chip guard that covers not only the hood, the headlights, the front fascia completely, and goes all the way to the fenders as well. Checking out the original window sticker here, do see this vehicle was originally $81,000 and offers a tremendous amount of packages. We have the Premium Plus package, trailer hitch, as I mentioned. The side blades are in exterior color. Traditionally they're in black, or you can even get them in carbon fiber. LED headlights, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, which is a great feature, navigation system, lane keep assist and change assist, sun blinds for the rear windows, and instrument dials in white. In addition, the agate gray interior, and also the 14-way power front seats. Stepping inside on the passenger side, beautiful, beautiful interior. The agate gray offers a nice place to sit, nice place to be. Offers very supportive seats in the GTS, adjustable in many ways, free of any contaminants, free of any tears or stitching, cracking. They're in wonderful, wonderful condition. Very supple leather. Glove box with a full owner's manual. Bose premium sound system. Door cards that are free of any chipping, delaminating, or scratches. Hopping in the back passenger side, you do see the rear sunshades. Continuation of the trim. Beautiful, beautiful trim. Rear seat. Same story as the front. Free of any contaminants, scratches, or tears. Full panoramic sunroof. Offers ample light. Taillights. Moving into the trunk area. And if you're not familiar with Porsche, this is your tailgate opening switch right there. Built it right into the rear wiper. Ample amount of cargo space, especially for an SUV of this size and caliber. 4 cloth floor mats, a rear tray, and clean carpets underneath. Power operating open and closed trunk. Even chip guard on the rear fascia as well at the loading area. Looking at the passenger side, same story on this side as the vehicle as well. Great condition. Some nice controls back here for heated seats and some temperature controls as well. Stepping into the driver's side, same 14-way power front seats, ample support, beautiful bolstering, free of any tears or cracking along the bolsters, the seat bottoms, or the headrests. Same story on the door card as well. All the buttons are here, all functioning, all in great working order. On the 2017, you do get the updated location for the door opening and locking, which is nice. Was traditionally in the center of the console. This one is equipped with a heated front steering wheel, which is a button located behind the steering wheel right here. Beautiful high definition display with navigation, mapping, all the features you could ever want. SD and CD player. Full dual zone climate control with syncing. Heated and cooled front seats. Sport mode. Suspension mode, 2 settings. Sport exhaust system. Lane keep assist, off-road mode. Automatic start stop for when you're sitting at a light. Traction control, parking brake. All the controls that you would be familiar with on the steering wheel for volume and channels. As I said, just under 40,000 miles. Just literally under 40,000 miles. Controls for your sunshade, lighting, home link, interior lighting, and reading lamps as well. Here's your control for your Distronic or adaptive cruise control. We'll take a look under the engine real quick, checking out the dashboard. See, free of any tears, perfect leather condition. The white dials, which are an optional upgrade. Stepping outside. The GTS model is powered by a 6-cylinder twin-turbo engine. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Just another quick walk around. A beautiful Porsche exhaust. If you or anyone you know has any interest in this Porsche GTS or any other vehicles here at AlphaCars, feel free, give us a call. 978-263-9000. Check us out on the web at alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. This Porsche GTS is currently located in our Boxborough showroom, but will be shortly making its trip to our Acton location in the next week. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Have yourself a great rest of the day.